So that side, all the acid is done on that side. Two over here to the line on the roof. Or two, same thing. So the acid is done that side. So I'm going to finish the other side, but I have a few rivet and caulking. I need to remove something. On around the rivet is some paint, so I need to scratch the paint on around the rivet. Yes, so I need to be done nicely. Oh, I will show you. So you see over here there's some I need to remove the paint on around the rivet. You see over here. It's not easy. And there's a couple over here on around there and there. So, you know, and that stay there. So